Hey! Mark! Mark! Boy's deaf. Hey!
What, Mom?
What are you doing?
Listening to music. Jamming.
And like you don't have a room to go to listen to? I was asleep, thank you.
Oh, sorry. I didn't notice.
I'm laying up here asleep and you don't even notice I'm asleep.
No.
Boy, you gotta tighten your butt up.
Okay. Sorry, Mom.
If you don't mind, go to your room and listen to that crap.
That's fine.
Hey!
What?
Have you done lost your mind?
What? What's your problem? You told me to go to my room and listen to it.
You ain't deaf, are you?
No.
Well, I can hear you from all the way in here, all the way up there. How's somebody supposed to sleep with all that mess going on? You got earphones, put them things on and put it in there. Listen to all you want to.
You also have another room.
Young man, are you getting smart with me?
No.
Well, you better wipe that smirky smile off your face before I smack it off.
Okay.
You know better.
Okay.
Watch yourself, buddy. This is it. That's the final straw, young man.
What? All I was doing was getting the chip bag.
And you could have went back to your room. Wipe that smirky grin off your face.
I'm sorry, Mom. I just can't really take you serious.
You can't take me serious. How about a pop upside that head? Is that going to mean I'm serious then?
Yeah.
Well, you're grounded. Now go to your room and go to bed.
All right.
I don't want to see you no more tonight.